If you have issues with mobile hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then here's what you can do to solve these issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, open connections, and the first thing that you can check is make sure that you are using the correct Wi-Fi network, or instead, if you want to share the access to your mobile data, then of course you want to make sure in SIM Manager that the correct SIM is selected for mobile data, or if the mobile data is even enabled. So make sure to do that. Besides that, we can open the mobile hotspot and tethering option in order to go to mobile hotspot. Over here we can of course edit some settings of our Wi-Fi hotspot, and in case there are some issues with the password, then of course you can set up an easy password, at least for now, to make sure that you can easily enter it on your other device. There's also the band option, where we have different bands that can be increased for performance. However, if your other device cannot detect the mobile hotspot that is enabled over here, you might want to decrease the band to have more compatibility. Essentially, at first you can just try to set it to 2.4 gigahertz, and this should allow you to pretty much detect your mobile hotspot on any device. Remember to save your changes. And besides that, you also have the QR code generator that can also be used. So if you enable the mobile hotspot, then over here at the bottom we have the QR code generator. You can use it in order to scan the QR code on your other device, which allows you to completely skip the part where you have to find the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. So you can immediately connect with the hotspot like this. And that's pretty much everything that you can do in order to try to solve issues with your mobile hotspot. Essentially, the most important part, I believe, is the band over here. Just decrease it, decrease the compatibility. You can also change the security to WPA2 personal. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.